Did you know that a clean home can significantly boost your happiness? It's true. Studies show that cleanliness impacts our mental health, reducing stress and fostering a sense of calm. Imagine walking into a sparkling clean home after a long day. That feeling of serenity and order is priceless. But let's be real, maintaining that level of cleanliness can be a challenge, especially when you're busy or preparing a home for sale. That's where TidyTex Home Cleaning comes in. As a proud veteran-owned service based in San Antonio, we specialize in transforming homes into inviting spaces that sell. We help realtors prepare properties for showings, ensuring every corner shines. With our quick turnaround times, we focus on elevating your listings just before those important open houses or buyer visits. Here's a quick tidy tip for realtors. Open those blinds. Let in natural light to make the space feel bright and welcoming. A well-lit home highlights its best features and helps buyers envision their new life there. Ready to create happy spaces? Check the video description for our contact details and reach out today.